What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, John and Drinks, kung saan tutulungan kayo ng tips and tutorials on how to make drinks, cocktails, mocktails, and learn about bar. So if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button, and let's make some cocktails guys. So for today guys, papakita ako sa inyo paano gumawa ng whiskey sour. At ang basong gagamitin natin guys is cocktail glass or Coupe glass. Let's put some ice and water to chill the glass. Pero pwede nyo na may lagay lang sa rep guys kung may space kayo sa rep. Itong cocktail na to guys is shaken. So kakailangan natin ng shaker. And the first ingredient is egg white ng itlog. Egg white pa nga ba ng ano? Ang kukunin natin sa itlog is yung egg white. Ang tanong guys, is safe ba siya sa cocktail na raw egg ilalagay natin guys? Guys, safe naman siya kasi usually ang nabibili nating itlog sa mga grocery store is pasteurized naman siya. Ano ba ang pasteurized guys? Ang pasteurized ay isang way na iniinit natin yung produkto into like 140 Fahrenheit para mapatay niya yung mga bakterya. So far, pwede naman siyang ilagay sa cocktail at safe naman siya. Hindi tayo makakuha ng salmonella. Bak! Lagyan na natin ng egg white, guys. Pasa-pasa nyo lang. And next is sugar syrup, guys. Lalagay nating sugar syrup is 15 ml or half ounce. And next is lemon juice, guys. Lemon juice, guys, is around 30 ml or 1 ounce. Mix natin, guys. Sa bar, ang tinatawag sa gantong shake is dry shake. Ano ba ang dry shake? Ang dry shake is yung pag-shake mo ng cocktail without ice, especially kung ang cocktail mo is may egg white. Bakit ginagawa ang dry shake, guys? Ginagawa ang dry shake para mas ma-break nyo yung egg. Kasi once nilagay nyo yung ice sa may cocktail at shinake nyo, hindi na siya masyadong mag-mix. So usually, kung ang cocktail nyo is may egg white, dinadry shake muna siya. Tapos, after i-dry shake, doon natin ilalagay yung ice at isi-shake natin siya ng normal way. So, hindi ko siya i-dry shake, guys. Meron naman ako ditong whipper. I-whip ko na lang siya, guys. Ginagawa rin natin to guys, para mas enhance natin yung foam ng egg white sa cocktail. Para yung end finish natin ng cocktail is ma-foam siya, guys. And makikita nyo, guys, is yung foam niya is na-break na at marami na. And let's put our alcohol, guys. For alcohol, guys, is gagamitin natin is whiskey. For alcohol, guys, pwede naman kayo gumamit ng kahit anong alcohol. Pwedeng rum, pwedeng vodka, pwedeng tequila. So, magiging tawag doon is like rum sour, whiskey sour, tequila sour. Pero ang other ingredients is same like guys. Pwede nyo palitan ng alcohol. Depende kung anong gusto nyong alcohol, guys. Lagay natin is 2 ounce. All ingredients are in the shaker, guys. Let's put some ice. And let's shake our cocktail, guys. Tapon natin yung yellow at water sa baso. Double shake natin, guys. Garnish guys, is lalagyan ko siya ng Angostura bitters. Kung di nyo pa alam ang bitters guys, please check my last video para malaman nyo kung ano ba ang bitters. Lalagay natin is 3 dash. At design na natin ng toothpick. Here you go guys, whiskey sour, tikman natin. So yun guys, thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful and if you want to see more videos on how to make drinks, cocktails, mocktails, and learn about bar, please don't forget to click the like, subscribe button. Maraming salamat po and see you in the next video guys. Cheers!